Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download the Onlyfans application in Android. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. First things first, just go ahead and open up your browser right here, and inside you want to go ahead and search for the Onlyfans application. And after that, you will then be able to see the up to down website OnlyFans for Android. Just go ahead and click on the website right here. Go ahead and click on accept all, and you want to go ahead and click on the get latest version. Click on download, and then you will be able to download the OnlyFans application on your Android. Just wait for it to load in. So after downloading the application right here, go ahead and install the APK file. Click on it, click on install, and wait for the application to install. Click on open, and in that way you will be able to download OnlyFans application on your Android. If you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.